Question 5 says a company keeps details of its product items in a 1D array stock. The array consists of 1,000 elements of type stock item. The record fields of stock item are, well, we've got product code, which is this string. I mean, probably it's always in this sort of format. Right, then we've got price, which, well, this will be a real, and number in stock, which is just an integer. Okay, first then we just have to write pseudocode to declare the record structure stock item. And again, guys, right, if you want this starter code, as always, well, just go here to the exam questions. Okay, find the specimen paper, and then, yeah, just use this. All right, so let's go first then. We want to go type. Right, then we need the name. So the name here is going to be stock item. Right, I'm just going to go end type, all right, just so I don't forget. And then inside here we just declare, just like regular declare statements. So the first one is going to be product code, and as we can see, this will just be a string. Right, then the next one, price, well, this will be a real. And yeah, finally, let's just go number in stock. Okay, and this will be an integer. Alright, so hopefully that's not too difficult. Right, the next one, pseudocode to declare the stock array, and if we look, it says, well, the array consists of 1,000 elements of type stock item. So if we just go back here, let's go declare, this is stock, and yeah, let me move the mouse. Right, this will be array, and then the indices, right, all the dimensions. I guess, well, 1 to 1,000. And then here it's going to be of stock item. And I mean, honestly, right, so for that one line, you literally get 3 marks, right, which is quite nice, to be honest. Right, then we just want to write pseudocode to modify the values of element 20. Yeah, set the price to this and increase the number in stock by 12. So I mean, this one is not setting the number to 12, right, it's increasing by 12. So basically, plussing 12 to the current value. So yeah, I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom because, well, there are 1,000 of these. So this one then, what we want to do, let's go stock. The index will be 20, and then let's just go price. Right, so the price, let's just assign this 105, yeah, 0.99. And then we're increasing the number in stock. Let's go stock, right, again, index 20. This will be number in stock. And then, well, then we just have to kind of, plus it with itself. So that's going to be number in stock, and then, well, plus 12, all right, just like this. And then, right, to be honest, the last one, well, a stock report program is developed. We want to write pseudocode to output the information for each stock item that has a price of at least 100, right, and then, yeah, this should be the output format. So I mean, here then we just want to loop through each of the stock items. So let's go for, maybe, I mean, let's call it n, or we can call it index, I guess. Right, this would just be 1 to 1,000. And then what we just want an if statement to check if the price is, well, greater than or equal to 100. And the reason it's greater than or equal is, well, it says at least 100. So this means 100 is also kind of acceptable. Right, so this will be stock, this will be index, and yeah, let's get the price field. Okay, yeah, well, let's go greater than or equal to 100. And then if it is, right, so then we just want to output product code. Yeah, I mean, make sure to get it, identical to this, right, with the colon, the space. Right, then we want to go stock, this will be index, and then we want the, well, yeah, we want the product code field. Right, let's have another space. Let's go number in stock. And yeah, here it should just be, well, stock, right, then the index, and then, yeah, this is the number in stock. Right, and then if we just close that with, well, end if, and then also next index. All right, yeah, if I can type. And I mean, that should be fine, so let's just run this. Okay, so yeah, I mean, probably this works. Yeah, okay, so I think, yeah, this seems to work. I mean, the one I did find a bit strange is where it says, well, here there's 0 in stock, But I mean, I guess here we're only checking the price. Okay, so we don't have to check the price and that there's some in stock, right? We're just checking the price. Alright guys, so yeah, this one seems okay, and then we'll see you in the next video.